Hi Michelle, this is Sam, your instructor, and I'm looking at this question. I know I quickly responded that it's not incorrect, but I did not show you how exactly it should be done. So here it is. You have x cubed whole to the power 4 divided by x squared whole to the power 8. And I can see your answer looks like x multiplied with 1 by 4, or in short, x by 4. If I just look at this expression, this is the answer I'm looking at, which is absolutely incorrect, right? So how we would do that? Our property is, sorry, I'll just take a little eraser and take this off. So once again, our property is b to the power m, if there is a base b to the power m, which has whole to the power n, then it becomes b to the power m times n. Are we sure about this property? Like, have you seen it somewhere? If not, review the formula again. If any base to the power m whole to the power n, then the base is multiply. In this case, it will be x to the power, I have 3 times 4, which is 12, divide by, there is x squared to the power 8, which will be x to the power 2 times 8. I hope this is 8. I can barely see in this picture, but if it's 8, then 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, what am I left with? I have, my next formula is, if there is b to the power m divide by b to the power n, it becomes b to the power m minus n. Are we comfortable with this formula? Seen it somewhere? If yes, then good. If no, then review it. So what happens to your next step? Your next step is, these two things are in division, so their powers subtract. So that will be x to the power 12 minus 16, which is equal to x to the power minus 4. I hope you got till this answer. I'll take all this away just to create some room on the sheet. I accidentally erased something extra, sorry about that. And back here, so this was x to the power negative 4. Question, do we ever express our answers in negative exponents? No. Over on the question it says simplify your answer, type exponential notation in positive. I know it is not in the picture, but definitely the question would say express your answer in positive notation. If it does not, then that's your answer. But if you want positive exponential notation, then we know another formula. When b to the power negative n, whenever you see it, the whole quantity will come in the denominator and becomes positive to the power, positive power, b to the power n. B to the power negative n is equal to 1 upon b to the power n. Does it make sense? So in this case, this can also be equal to, this is b to the power negative n, it is equal to 1 upon x to the power positive 4, and that's my answer. I don't know, like, if you came to the same answer but you accidentally feed it incorrectly, but that's where you are going wrong. So how would you do it? There is a little widget thing in the bottom. So when you open your MyMathLab screen, there is a widget thing. In that widget thing, you will find two squares like this. So you can select that one. That's how you feed any fractions. So you will feed 1 here, x here, and when you click x, then there is another widget tray where you would see a square to the power another square. So you'll use this one to write x to the power 4. Okay, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any question. Ta-da.